If your factory's security plan is build a big wall and hope, I've got some news for you. The wall has doors, lots of them. Hi, I'm Duleep Pillai, CEO of Veltec Networks, a San Jose-based cybersecurity and managed services provider. Design News reports manufacturers are ditching old castle and moat security for zero trust, the model that says never trust, always verify. It's rising because plants are more connected than ever. Laptops talk to robots, vendors remote in. A single stolen password can stroll across your shop floor. Well, why should you care? Because downtime kills margins. If malware jumps from an office PC to a PLC, your production lines stop, orders slip, and customers will call competitors. Here is your one-step starter. Pick one critical area, like your PLAN network, and turn on block by default. Require MFA for remote access. Limit every account to exactly what it needs. Segment machines, so if one box gets sick, the whole plant doesn't catch a cold. Zero trust isn't a product, it's a posture. Start small, expand fast, and sleep better. Follow me for more.